Respected viewers, kindly subscribe the channel, press the bell icon and do not forget to like the video. Hello students, welcome to Geography class. I am your Geography teacher. So students, from the last lecture we have been started learning the lesson number 2, let us use gratical. We have also solved the questions related to figure 2.1. Also we have learned how to identify the exact location of any place on the earth or on the globe with the help of a gratical, that means with the help of latitude and longitude. Also in the last lecture we have found the location of the capital city of India, New Delhi, and also we have learned how to describe the extent of any region or any area on the earth with the help of the parallels and meridians. Now let's go forward. For describing the context of linear feature like a river, road, etc., we need to consider the latitude and longitude of their terminal points. For example, the river Nile in Africa originates in Lake Victoria, flows north and meets the Mediterranean Sea near the city of Alexandria in Egypt. The location of Lake Victoria is 0 degree 45 minute 21 second south latitude and 33 degree 26 minute 18 second east longitude. Similarly, the location of Alexandria is 31 degree 12 minute north latitude and 29 degree 55 minute 7 second east longitude. These latitudes and longitudes are considered to describe the extent of the river Nile. This extent is from 0 degree 45 minutes south latitude and 33 degree 26 minute east longitude origin to 31 degree 12 minute north latitude and 29 degree 55 minute east longitude up to the mouth. So students, let's understand the concept. For the scope of linear feature of rivers, roads, etc., the latitude and longitude of their starting and ending points must be taken into account. For example, the Nile River in Africa originates at Lake Victoria, flows north and joins the Mediterranean Sea near the Egyptian city of Alexandria. Lake Victoria has 0 degree 45 minute 21 second south latitude and 33 degree 26 minute 18 second east longitude. Similarly, the city of Alexandria is located at 31 degree 12 minute north latitude and 29 degree 55 minute 7 second east latitude. These latitudes and longitudes are considered to describe the area of the Nile River. This range is from 0 degree 45 minutes south latitude and 33 degree 26 minute east longitude origin of the river to 31 degree 12 minute north latitude and 29 degree 55 minute east longitude to the mouth of the river. Let us use the gratical. Figure 2.3, Map of Brazil. Answer the following question about location and extent with the help of the figure 2.3. Which latitude and longitude define the location of the capital of Brazil? That is Brasilia. Yes, students, can you tell? The answer is 13 degrees south latitude and 48 degree west longitude. What would be the longitudinal extent of Brazil that spreads from 5 degree 15 minutes north to 33 degree 45 minutes south latitude? Answer: longitudinal extent would be 34 degree 47 minutes west to 73 degree 59 minutes west. In which hemisphere does Brazil extend in the north-south direction? Answer: Brazil extends in the both northern and southern hemisphere. In which hemisphere does the Brazil extend in the east-west direction? Answer: Brazil extends in the western hemisphere. Which parallels and meridians should be used to describe the extent of river São Francisco? Answer: river São Francisco has its source at 40 degree 4 minute west, 20 degree 2 minutes south and terminal point at 37 degree west and 10 degree south. Describe the location of Maranhão Island using the graticals. Answer: using the graticals, the location of Maranhão Island is 0.4 degree north and 51 degree west. Thank you for watching this audio-visual presentation.